Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing... So what I think I am going to do... I'm going to do... You know... Crap. Remember guys, always pick up glass and throw them off the balcony. Crap! Oh gosh. I'm gonna throw that up there. Fireworks. I might as well. So anyways, before I got violently distracted with the bombs that we have, I did nothing. I decided that I was going to play with a little bit of bombs today, obviously, as you can tell. And I don't like this right there. What we're going to do is we're going to go through some breaches. Like that. I'm going to figure out how to destroy this whole place. That cleared the whole wall. So, oh, that's a pretty good hole. I almost fell into it. Am I crouched? No. Huh. What do I do? Oh, whatever. Crap. Yeah, we're just gonna figure out how we can do things. Like, for instance, have this. Have that. Check this thing out. Hold on, I want to go all the way over here. Put one of these on here, right? Oh yeah, we have a rocket launcher, but we're not gonna. Look at that. All this damage. Look at that. The radius on that hole.
Huh?
So what do we know? The whole elevator. I just wanted it like that. Uh-oh. Wrong button. Alright, so let's try this again. And now we're picking this up. Oh, this is the whole entire wall. Okay. Whoops. It looked like a tail. It evaporated the car. Look at this. Wait, this is crazy. It doesn't do anything, but I can still get in it though. That's pretty cool. Set exit. Oh, you know what? It was probably pointing at the door, not the hole that I was exploding. Alright, next thing I want to try. It does have a very bad habit of curving downward.
Huh?
You have to aim it just right to hit what you want from a far distance. So close. And you can't aim it either. But you know, we can always just put some pipe bombs and throw them out there. Can we not do that? I love it. I love it. I love this. Wow. This is crazy. Oh, no crap. Put that out. Let's put it out with the lead player. Oh, what I can follow it. Okay. There's the fire. Let me just, yeah, that's it. Blew me away when I seen it. I was like, oh, look at this. Normal room. Nothing in there to do anything with. Show you. Other than that, the only thing you really have to do that's all it does. There's no point in this room at all. And then of course there's this thing, which whew. Yeah, look at that. Nothing. Just burnt the roof. That's it. So, not much of a reason for this room at all, really. Okay. Doesn't do that much. It's a really tight table, too. And the finishing project needs to look pretty. Teardown's not gonna be a... I just look fireable maps that you can do this with. This thing up, burn it. Okay. This is literally doing nothing. Okay, fine, you know what? We're just gonna catch this box. So let me just get a different map here. Alright, so this map seems a little more burnable. Okay, and I mean like everything seems burnable. What I'm going to do... Okay, there's that. Puzzle down. This one's actually catching on fire, see? Whoa! That was pretty awesome. Okay, now this fire is pretty much useless. I'll let it burn out. Not let it burn out. I let it burn out. Yeah, look at that. See, look. That's so stupid. I want to go here. I want a burning boat to fly over there. Not fly. Let's crash this boat. So, I'm going to catch the back on fire. This. Or this one. This one here. This. And just like that, nothing caught on fire. Now let's try this. Drive a boat, funny boat. want to use the leaflet. Look at that. Why is that so very flammable, considering they're freaking electric. Nothing. If I just like... Yeah, not really. Throw one on the roof. Down. Takes 2 pumps of a shotgun to explode a tree. It's that thick, actually. That's a pretty thick tree. Hey, a vehicle. Get the vehicle thruster. Put a couple of those on there. Let's see how it works. Put this big thing right there. Right here. Right there. And on the door. Open the door. Now what we need to do is we need to somehow get over there. What other place to find a boat than right here? Look at that road. Right there. It's like 30 or something. Could have left it on there, but it's fine. I'm gonna test out my be nice. Oh, that works so perfectly. Now is everything on fire? Now there's gotta be something on fire, right? You see it right there? Right here, something's on fire. It's good exactly how I planned it to. Okay, that's a waste of my time. Alright, now all we need to do is explode the rest of this house. That tree just get out from there. Physics exists. Now we can have the satisfying moment of putting the fire. Violently tries to destroy someone's house. That's all it is. Maybe the I will restart the map and look around, but first I want to have this video be destruction. How many videos do you own? There we go. Grass be thrown. I know how lighter things tend to not be because they'll just fall. This code existed. Alright, restore the evidence, I guess. why would they do that? Who put those bombs there? And that's kind of what it is. I might as well. I think I can go bigger. So let's go bigger. I know exactly how to do that. Full paintball trigger mode and double finger mode. Let's not say it like that again. YouTube's not gonna like me after that. That's a Skyline, right? Just listen to my mouth. Let me bring it over here. I'm literally alright, now it's time to go boom. Oh, he killed me twice! That's amazing. Alright. Well, we destroyed things. We're gonna try to put it back together. While I'm doing that, you guys watch another video on my channel, and we'll see you next time.